Pop that.
Hello everybody, welcome to another video of whacked out drivers in the Nati. And man, oh man, you talking about a semi-driver not paying attention. Take a look at this, folks. That this semi-driver in front of us is going to cut off this Mini Coupe. And if they do not, right here comes the Mini Coupe, if they do not hit their brakes, they would have literally drove right into the back of this semi-truck. Take a look at this. That semi-driver can clearly tell that, you know, he should not be making that turn. And again, if that Mini Coupe would not have hit the brakes, they would have definitely been hit. But look at this here also, folks. You got a double whammy, because then we got this idiot driving this red truck in this green Winnebago, I think it was, that literally almost hit our front end. Let's take a look at both of these again. I'll blow this up for you here, and you're going to be able to clearly see that if that Mini Cooper did not hit their brakes, that semi would have definitely went right into the front end of that Mini Coupe. Right there, folks. Take a look at that. And there's no way that semi driver did not see that Mini Coupe coming. He just did not care. And here's that footage again. Just look how close this Winnebago is to our vehicle. It's absolutely insane. Neither one of these drivers were using their mirrors, or they was distracted. It's clear as day that both of them, and it's just ironic that they both happened in the same video clip, both of them changed lanes too close to vehicles. And in the situation of the, as you can see here, Amazon truck, I forgot to mention, Amazon truck, in the situation of that, if that Mini Coupe did not hit his brakes, that Mini Coupe would have drove right into the back of that semi truck. Thank goodness that driver has enough sense to pay attention to the road, not have a cell phone or headphones. We've seen people drive around with headphones on while you're driving, which actually we watched a officer on live PD chew this guy out for driving around with headphones on while you are driving, because you cannot hear anything that is going on. Well, there you go, folks. Another version of whacked out drivers in the Nati. I have not put any of these up in a while, but this just goes to show. I mean, summer's just starting. We already got drivers driving like this. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that notifications bell, like this video, because I got more videos to come. I've already got some videos I was questioned on. To hell with all that. I'm posting them because in the situation with like this, and you know, these videos are an educational tool on the reasons why you should be getting a dash cam for your vehicle, because it's your word against theirs. In the video evidence, it is a closed case. I've even had a police officer tell me that dash cams has made their jobs so much easier because it takes the he said, she said out of it. So again, get yourself a dash cam, get the front camera and the back camera like we have. That way you know, in fact, because like I said, in the situation of this semi-truck driver, if that Mini Coupe would have went into the back of that semi, it could have seriously hurt somebody. Here's some more videos you might be interested in. The video on the center of your screen is where we had an encounter with the Metro bus driver in downtown Cincinnati. Traffic was messed up, but he was supposed to stay behind his white line at a red light, and he came through the intersection outside his lane of travel and was trying to go around cars and was trying to cut off cars that was in our lane of travel. And if you watch this video, you'll see actually he gets so close to the back of our car you can barely see the bike rack on the front of the car. The video on the left hand side of the screen is where we were leaving Good Samaritan Hospital on the west side of town, and this dually truck blows this red light and almost T-bones this Jeep, and it's just absolutely insane. Here it comes right here, and look how fast this dually truck is coming, and he must have looked up at the last second and swerved to miss this Jeep. Otherwise, he would have flipped that Jeep. And the video on the right hand side of your screen is where these people decide to run the red light right in front of a Delhi police officer. They was going so fast, their entire car tilted to the right, just as the Delhi police officer was coming up over that hill. It was absolutely hilarious. These people absolutely picked the wrong time to run that red light. And the thing is, they didn't even slow down and see if anybody was crossing the street or anything. Don't forget, folks, to make sure you check out the other videos on the channel. And just so everybody knows, I don't make no money doing this. This is all educational purposes. This is a tool to help educate people, giving them reasons on why they need to have a dash cam in their vehicle. Just so everybody's aware of that. I make no money doing this, okay? So don't think all these videos are put up to make money, because they're not. This video is uploaded as an educational tool. And if I'm not mistaken, that is also put in the description. This video is uploaded for educational purposes. So again, everybody, drive safe. And remember, like I said in this video, your family wants to see you make it home. So keep your eyes on the road and out of the cell phones. And that text message can wait till the car is in park. This is the Bulldozer. Drive safe. And I'm out of here.